Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 14. The graph of two functions is shown on the coordinate plane. Select all values of x for which f of x equals g of x. Alright, so it says select all values of x. So first thing we need to know is that our x-axis is here. So this is our x-axis, it's the horizontal axis, so these are the x values that we are looking at. Alright, so where f of x equals g of x. Alright, so we have two functions and we need to find where they are equal. That means they have a point in common. So this line in this curve crosses here, which means they have a point in common, and here. Alright, since the line and the parabola cross in two spots, that means I should have two solutions. So again, it says what is the x value? The x value for this one would be -1. And if I come down here, the x value for this one would be 4. So -1 and 4 both make f of x equal g of x. So I'm going to scroll down, -1 and 4, so remember that, -1 and 4. And -1 is p, and 4 is t. So our answers to this one is p and t.